Persian walnut cookies. This is a simple recipe for delicious cookies. You can have them with your favorite cup of tea. These are the ingredients you need. 1 cup of walnut pieces, 1 large egg, quarter of a cup powdered sugar, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, and 1 packet of Belvita brand cinnamon brown sugar breakfast biscuits is about 1.76 ounces or 50 grams. As an optional item, you can add a dash of salt. Here is a list of ingredients again. You can have the following substitutions. You can use a gluten-free substitute for the Belvita brand biscuits. You can use a quarter of a teaspoon of cinnamon instead of cardamom. And for sweeter cookies, you can use 1/3 of a cup sugar instead of a quarter of a cup. Preparing the mix. This recipe makes about a dozen cookies. Set the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a food processor and turn the walnut pieces and Belvita biscuit into a blend of fine crumbs. Do not overprocess. Transfer the walnut and biscuit mixture to a large bowl. Add the cardamom and sift the powdered sugar and add it to the dry mix. Stir the mix well. Add the egg to the mixture and beat well until the dough is well mixed. The dough will be sticky. Baking. Use a teaspoon and drop the cookie dough, a spoonful, onto a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. Leave about 2 inches of space between cookies. Bake in the middle rack of the oven for 12 to 14 minutes. Cool the cookies on a rack. Here are the cookies. Enjoy them. Thank you for watching.